Learn the secrets on how to create a high-income, low-work, completely location-independent small business. This is an exclusive opportunity to learn how to make at least $7,000 a month in your own business from anywhere in the world on less than 30 hours a week. By Caleb Jones, best-selling author of The Unchained Man, a business consultant, author, speaker, traveler, entrepreneur, and alpha male 2.0. The man who's worked with hundreds of firms all over the world, from small businesses to the Fortune 500, over the last 20 years. Imagine making good money from anywhere in the world. No employees, no equipment, no paperwork. A laptop would be all you'd need. Wouldn't that be nice? Your Alpha 2.0 business allows you to make at least $75,000 per year or more. Work only 15 to 30 hours per week to maintain your income. Spend time literally anywhere in the world. Live wherever you want. Travel wherever you want, for as long as you want. Experience minimum hassle and overhead. Have no employees. Get cash every week from multiple, diversified markets and income streams, making your income very secure and near recession-proof. Start your business for $0, or very close to it, if you don't want to spend any money to get started. Big income from little work. Learn more and get started now by clicking the link in the description below.